AI Agency Snapshot. There is no catch to it. Basically, you just join the community, and that is the free community to join. And as you can see, we are even going to conduct the mastermind call. Mastermind call, basically, the Gohighlevel users, the sole purpose would be how to discuss, like we'll discuss how do we get the clients. People are going to share the strategies that has worked for them. I'm already in talks with one of the person who has already secured so many, he has sold so many AI clients. So you'll be live in proximity in the Zoom call at a weekly level. If you want to share something, you can share it. You want to ask something, you want to ask it. You want to sit back and watch those people, you can watch it. And meanwhile, this AI Agency Snapshot, completely free, which I used to only offer to my affiliate, but here, the moment that you join the community, you're going to get, and even joining the community is free. I'm going to show you what all do you have in this snapshot, the website, funnel and stuff. Let me just quickly tell you how do you join the community. Just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'm going to leave the link at the top. So over there, like, of course, you just scroll it down a little bit, and here you have join Gohighlevel community. The moment you click onto it, you'll be taken onto the join page for the community. And the moment that you join it, right at the front, as you can see, this is the import link. You click here and it will be imported in your account. Now let me just quickly show you what all do you get in this snapshot. So I have just created a sub account with the same snapshot. As you can see, so many funnels related with the AI agency, AI consulting checkout, chatbot, software plus service, like white label training videos. I mean, this is crazy, guys. The white label training videos, imagine, like, literally you can onboard any of the person with this. It has training videos for each of the modules. It's pre-done. Super amazing, guys. I mean, as an AI agency, anybody or onboarding, imagine you don't have to tell them about it. They can just see through the videos what all everything means. And this is the website that you get. Let me just quickly show you. It's a 4-page website. So thank you home page, thank you page, booking page, checkout page. It's a good made website. And then you have the automation workflows for this. So automation workflows is also done in this case. As you can see, inbound, appointment booked, no show, and then confirmation reminder, cancellation, no show, rebooking, right? And then you even have the pipelines for within the snapshot. Agency pipeline, SAAS pipeline, number of stages is also defined. You even have the calendars, the forms, the custom objects. So it's like really nice snapshot, guys. Like literally you might have had to pay for it, or probably earlier only the affiliates used to get this particular snapshot. But join our community. We are really going to ensure that everybody gets the best information access. And the most important is the mastermind call that we are about to conduct on a regular basis. It will be live Zoom call. Everybody will be part of, imagine. And that is going to be super amazing. Live Zoom call is like people can actually watch, I mean, see in the live proximity, pick up the brains of the people who actually got the clients. Everybody will share different strategies through the webinars, through in person, through XYZ, the strategies that didn't work. You can share your strategy. You can ask the question live from the people. It's all free to join, guys. I hope you get the value out of it and you would appreciate. And yeah, I'll leave the link at the top, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Join our community. See you there.